Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do my second layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. It is the October 2021 kit, and this is the main kit, the premium kit. It is gorgeous. I believe it's called Bliss. And this paper right here, this is legit, like the most exquisite, I know, I'm out of frame, gorgeous piece of paper. It is all these variegated blues, even a little bit of pink in here, painted mucky wood. Now, I prefer to have my stripes going this way for the most part, so I'm going to do that. Great. Then, I liked the idea of cutting which flowers I have left. This is from the Heidi Swapp Carefree Morning Meadow sheet, and I already used 1.5 of the sheets. Well, this is what I have left of 2 sheets, depending on how you think. So I liked that, and then I liked the peach with it. Blue and orange together. I love that. And let me show you, if I can find it, the photo I want to use. So this is a photo of my oldest daughter and the Nick, and they are at a country concert, I believe the first one in quite a while. And they were going up to the Traverse City area for the weekend, and she looked up things to do in Traverse City, and there was this great concert playing less than 2 miles from where we stay. So that is absolutely fun and awesome, and they had themselves a time, and they were able to Uber there, Uber back, no big deal. So I do know I want to use these pieces. This is Bo Bunny, by the way, from Double Dot Peaches and Cream Vintage, and I think I want to use the dotted side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend some time detail cutting out whichever flowers I can get cut out. I like the idea of that. And then I liked the idea of going into these Minte, it's the Minte Papers brand, and this is the Harmony line, these cardboard stickers. And I think this Live Your Best Life is going to be my title. And I liked all the blue. I like this hat because it reminded me of a cowboy hat. I think this will be a lot of fun. And I liked the idea of having circular shapes in here. So I have that for now. What else do I have going on? Oh, I wanted to detail cut out this piece, maybe some of these little hanging pieces, and we're gonna layer things up and have so much fun. So let me get all these pieces cut out and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I have some pretty good traction going. I did go ahead and cut out the remaining flowers I had from Heidi Swapp, and I popped them up on a little foam. And then these 3 kind of macrame hanger thingies, I'm going to pop them. Let's go ahead and just glue them on. I don't know, glue, attach, adhese, plop them on. And I'm going to have 2 on one side, 1 on the other. I have so many little things all over my desk. I'm like, yeesh. So just straight-ish. Never think that things are going to be perfect because I don't really do perfect, but ish is awesome. We'll get these 2 on. And I don't think I told you guys before that the concert that they went and saw, because somebody will end up asking, they went and saw Old Dominion, and fabulous country band. And I think that's going to be my title as well. And I have these great thickers. There we go. I've got these great thickers. Where are they? Right here that came in the kit, and they're called Memo, and they're rose gold. So they're going to be really, really punchy. So I'm going to pop these into, they don't have to be super even or whatnot, but I do like the idea that things are hanging down. I still have this really awesome cowboy hat. I don't know how I want to put my extra bit yet. We're going to figure it out. Don't know. Okay. So I went ahead also and matted my photo 3 times. I have the 2 pieces that you see here, and then I have this piece right here that is from the the Echo Park Dots and Stripes Sky Blue. And I decided to use the more tone-on-tone so that I didn't have this strong pop of white. So let's see. I think right about there, overlapping a bit, that would be fine. And I don't like this adhesive for foam. So let me go ahead and get some new adhesive in my ATG, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I went ahead in the meantime and I refilled my tape, and I went ahead and popped my title on. And I like that it's slightly underneath some of the floral bits. My photo's on. Now I'm looking at these extra little pieces, and guys, seriously, I would be totally satisfied with it as is. Very happy with it. Not going to use this big piece as my title. Thought I was, but that's okay. I do like this piece that reads Harmony right here. I'm just trying to see like what I might like to do with it. All right, now I know. Got it. So let's go ahead and get this piece underneath here. Just going to do a little bit of layering. Lantern means absolutely nothing to do with this. I'm going to get some foam, and I'm just going to pop the cowboy hat from this bottom section up on it because totally a cowboy hat kind of thing. And yes, I know neither of them have a cowboy hat on, but in the 5 million other country concerts that they have been to, or you know what? I need to put it up taller, and I wasn't even thinking. All the other concerts they've been to, there's been many a cowboy hat worn. And I'm covering up the little bird. It's fine. It's fine. Harmony works for the whole music thing. Ta-da! So that's good. Now, I really like the idea of this whole boho thing working with the country music idea. So I do have some of these gorgeous deep color leaves. I think I'm going to really concentrate on the navy this time. I used lots of the light blue last time. I'm going to stick them in here, there, and everywhere. Probably not here, there, and everywhere. I'm going to stick them in wherever it's going to make sense, and I've got just a little bit of room. So I like the 1, 2. Do I like that? Ooh, I do. I like those 3. So that's not really here, there, and everywhere, is it? I found 3 places I like, and I think I'm going to try to get 2 more down here. I do like to have some things in odd numbers. This is all true. So let's just do that tip right here. Same thing for this so that some of it will stick up and we can get some good shadow going. Great. Let's see if we can get 2 more of these. 2 more. So I can clearly have it. Should I just have the 2 together? Oh, yep. Okay. I like that. Cute. Okay. So I have that going on. Now, do I want to do anything else? I don't know, because I'm so darn happy with it. I mean, I wouldn't mind finding a spot to to double up on the cowboy hat, but I like that the way it is so much. I'm thinking of showing restraint. All right, why don't I just pop in some of these sequins? Is that what's going to do it? And I'll be back in a jiffy to show you my finished project. All right, my friends, I am all finished, and it's rather simple, but I really like it. I like that I got some of these boho goodies in. Got my little country hat on, which I don't know if it's supposed to be country, but it is now. Let's see what else. Oh, I did go ahead and get both the sequins in as well as these little tiny pearl bits. Those are finishing touches, and I think that's the champagne color. I've got my leaves in there for this texture and dimension. I didn't scuff up anything. We have some nice dimension because I popped up all of the flowers from the Heidi Swap line. I feel, I don't know. I might just do lowercase t and c for Traverse City so that I know where they did this, because that would be really fun. And then that would mean that I can also bring in more of this alpha in, so it's on more than just one spot on the page. I think I can go ahead and do that right here on my little cluster, and it will finish this right off. Let's see. Poof. All right, I am done. I hope you like what I came up with. If you guys have questions or comments, leave them down below. And I'll also have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, Facebook group, as well as blog. Okay, that's it for now, friends. Bye-bye.